Did you know approximately 80% of the homes in La Mesa were built before statewide energy standards were in place? That means that many of the homes in our community have higher heating and cooling costs, and they use more water than newer homes that are built today. That's why we're excited to offer the DIY Energy and Sustainability Toolkit. The DIY Toolkit includes step-by-step instructions and all of the tools and free resources that you need for a do-it-yourself home energy and sustainability assessment. You'll install the energy-saving resources, like the light bulbs and the weather stripping, and then you'll return the tools, like the heat gun and the water pressure gauge with the kit when you're done. Best of all, this is a free resource for La Mesa residents and small businesses. To get a toolkit, you'll just need to bring your photo ID to one of our checkout locations. You'll keep the kit for 2 weeks and return it back to the checkout location when you're done. By making these energy and water conserving improvements, you're helping reduce emissions and you're supporting La Mesa's Climate Action Plan goals. For checkout locations or to reserve a toolkit, visit our website. And be sure to help us spread the word by sharing this video on social media with the hashtag #SustainableLaMesa.